the 16 truths of Ifa. 1. There is a single God. 2. There is no devil. 3. Except for the day you are born and the day you are supposed to die. There is no single event in your life that cannot be forecast and, when necessary, changed. 4. It is your birthright to be happy, successful, and fulfilled. 5. You should grow and obtain wisdom during the process. 6. You are reborn through your blood relatives. 7. Heaven is home and earth is the marketplace. We are in constant passage between the two. 8. You are part of the universe in a literal, not figurative way. 9. You never initiate harm to another human being. 10. You must never harm the universe of which you are part. 11. Your temporal and spiritual capacity must work together. 12. You are born with a specific path. It is your goal to travel it. Divination provides your roadmap. 13. Our ancestors exist and must be honored. 14. Sacrifice guarantees success. 15. The orisa live within us. And 16. You need have no fear. Thanks for watching.